Hello, welcome back. So today we're going to be cooking ogbono. So we're going to start with our palm oil. Now you want the palm oil to be oil, but you don't want it to bleach. So once it's a bit light, we'll just pour in our ogbono powder. Then we keep stirring. Oh my goodness, the stirring and stirring and stirring of ogbono can give you muscle. You don't need to go to the gym. You will build muscle by force, by fire. While doing that, once you have stirred it for a while, we just start adding in our beef stock. So you can also use just ordinary hot water. You can just boil hot water and pour it. And if you want to use ordinary water, you can as well. But people are always skeptical about using cold water because it might get really lumpy. However, I used cold water here and it still wasn't lumpy, and thank God to my oga came to my rescue. As you can see, he's helping me here to stir. Oh my goodness, it was quite painful. And then here I took it over again and started stirring and stirring and stirring. Oh my goodness. And the whole purpose of you stirring and stirring is you don't want it to become lumpy. It will not be nice. So it's best to pay the sacrifice to stir and stir. If you want to use a whisker, please do. By all means, do you anything that makes your life easy, please do it. And if you want to use the electric liquidizer as well, I mean, anything to get the result. The ends justifies the means, isn't it? So here I'm going to add my stockfish and prawn. That's fresh prawn that are boiled. Now if you notice, all of the proteins I'm adding in, or as they fondly say in Nigeria, all the animals. So you can see that I've already parboiled all the animals I'm using. So yeah, I'm adding in my bokoto now after adding in the stockfish. So you leave it to boil a little bit for a while before adding the bokoto. So now again it's beginning to bubble up. Now I'm going to add my offals. So that's my shaki, my liver, kidney, what have you. I've got in there. Then we're gonna leave that again. We stir into it and then leave it to boil again for a while. Please pardon my voice, it looks like I'm coming down with cold. So again we stir and stir. I promise you, by the time I was done with this ogbono, I felt like I've gained like twice as much as the muscle that I got before. So now this is my blended crayfish that I'm pouring in, and the ogbono blend as well. So some of the ogbono blend, I have it blended into it as well. And then the ogbono powder as well, I have some crayfish, dry pepper and all that blended with it. So I've got, that's why you're not seeing me adding in dry pepper or any special ogbono spices, because it has been blended all together. So again we leave it to bubble up a bit, and then we pour in our boiled turkey. If you want to see how I prep my boiled beef, turkey, offals, shag, everything, what have you, just let me know. Comment on the comment below that I should show you how I prep my meats and proteins and all of that. So now I'm adding my bouillon powder. I'm also adding my bouillon cube to taste. Add to taste. If you feel like you need more, please add more. And if you feel like you don't need more, then that's fine, because I used to stock the water from boiling my beef and turkey, so I didn't need to add so much, because already the water was already seasoned. So, and also if you notice, I did not add salt because it's already nice and tasty. If you feel you still need to add salt to yours, please do, you by all means add your salt in. Again we stir and stir and stir and stir, and then we bring it to boil. So we just leave it here to let it boil. Now again, you still want to stir because you don't want it to ogbono is fond of getting burnt. It's just like jollof rice, it will burn and burn and burn. So our advice that you keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. So now I'm going to add my ugu. Again, I have this already prepped in the freezer just for a day like this. I like to do my prep work whenever I've got extra time, so that whenever I need to cook, it makes life a lot easier for me. If you're interested in me showing you how I do all my preps, please let me know in the comment section, and I will be bringing up a video with that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna leave the ugu to boil, okay, with the ogbono, and then in no time, just like that, our ogbono is ready.